Do you know there is inequality in taxes as well?
Yes.
Taxes are different for the rich and for the poor. Is that the same tax? There are multiple taxes. Indian tax system treats rich and the poor differentially. In a GST, whether you are rich or poor doesn't matter. You are treated at the same percentages. But in case of income tax, you have a slab rate. When you earn less income, you're taxed less. When you earn more, you're taxed more. In some cases, you do not have to pay taxes as well. The basic difference between income tax and GST is this. From school days, we have heard of direct tax and indirect tax. That's true. One is direct tax, another one is indirect tax. Income tax is tax on income. Anything that you earn, you need to pay tax to the government. That's income tax. GST is a tax on your consumption, on your spend. It is a spending tax. Whenever you spend for an item, based on the rates, you need to pay a tax. That's the GST. Now let me give you an example. In case of a family, let's assume that there is an income stream of 10 lakh that a family member is earning. That 10 lakh, the employer will deduct tax. Let's assume it's 10%. What reaches us is only that 9 lakhs. That 1 lakh is income tax, tax on income. Now what is available in our hands to spend is only that 9 lakhs. Let's assume from that 9 lakhs, I am eager to buy an iPhone. It costs me around 1 lakh. That 1 lakh, when I go to the Apple store and purchase an iPhone, I just not pay 1 lakh. It's 1 lakh plus an 18% on top of it, which is an 18,000. I end up paying 1,18,000 from my pocket. That 18,000 is GST. A rich man may buy an iPhone and spend 1 lakh and get an 18,000 tax. A poor fellow might only spend 10,000 for a phone, but still he will have to pay at an 18%, which is 1,800. The 18% doesn't change for a rich man and a poor man. But in case of income tax, the rates are different. For a lower income, you pay low tax. For a higher income, you pay more tax. Even it keeps on increasing with surcharge and anything else coming up in the picture as well, where your taxes will be more.